I'm Marty, and today we're gonna be making cheese crispy treats. Cheesy crisp puffs. Cheese crispy puffs. Rice crispy cheese puffs. Or if you can think of a better name, you can drop it in the comments. First, we're gonna make a drink. We have these beautiful pre-batched rhubarb old fashions. Strawberry rhubarb from the local bar, courtesy of Larry. Thank you. So we already have these old fashions batched out. I'm gonna put some Pepsi ice in there. After you finger the ice cubes, we're gonna wash our hands. Key is you think about someone that you love. You just go off on a cloud for 20 seconds just thinking about kissing your friends and really get in there. Yep. Woo! It's hot. Yeah. Okay, so our ingredients for today: 0.42 cups of butter, which looks kind of like this. Or a stick. A stick. Yes, that's it. 1 cup of Rice Krispie Treats. Doesn't have to be name brand. Whatever you got around your local market is fine. Fuck if I care. Cup of flour. This is a really easy recipe because it's only 4 ingredients. And the last one is shredded cheese, preferably orange. So today we have a New York extra sharp cheddar cheese. Shred it up. Woo. Good thing I washed my hands. So it's really easy because it's just 4 ingredients, a cup of everything each, except for the butter, which is a little bit less than a half a cup. Not a professional cook. I am a math magician. So we're just gonna heat up this butter a little bit, make it warm, so it's just gonna warm up the butter. Check on it. Oh, that's hot butter. You have to check which kind of watts your microwave is. Mine's 900, so powerful. You don't want to cause an explosion. And now I'm just gonna combine all the ingredients into one bowl. Cheese, flour, boop, 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 the Crispies, and then I saved the butter for last. Felt right. Snap, crackle, pop, motherfucker. Maybe a fork, I don't know. Just get everything mixed up in here in my mixing bowl. Woo! Don't be afraid to make a mess. Ooh, yep. Now we're cooking. Everything looks real mixed up in there. Maybe a couple more go-abouts. My arm's cramping up a little bit. I'm gonna perhaps have a sip of my drink. Wow. While we're mixing here. Here's a funny story. I was baptized as a child. The first baptism didn't take, and they had to dip me in that holy bowl. You can ask my mom. She was there. They like put the water on my head. I don't know exactly what happened, but I'm assuming there was probably smoke or something. My godparent was like severely burned from the steam. They dipped me back in again, and then I was a child of God. The pipings are really bad in New Orleans. There's a lot of shit pipes there. Flash forward 20 years later in New Orleans and got kind of like an unbaptism where I was dipped into a shit pipe. Washed away God right off of me. Now I'm just a heathen again. Just like God made me. Perfect in every way. All right, so I think we're all mixed up. I'd like to point out that I had the brilliant idea of preheating my oven 45 more degrees. Yep, I've got a double oven. No big deal. But whatever kind of oven you got works, you know, because we're just making stuff with whatever's laying around the house because we're in lockdown, am I right? Things are just like so strange. Shit's so weird right now. Oh, there we go. That was my oven communicating that she is ready. Baking pan. Spray it with a little pan so nothing sticks. We're just gonna make little balls. They're gonna kind of be like puffy ball cookie or a puffed cookie. Rice cheese crispy treat. Squeeze them into a fist-shaped ball. Whatever your little fist makes is perfect. We're gonna fix them up later. This is why it's important to wash your hands, because your hands are like the steering wheels of your body's vehicle. Hopefully my editor can speed up this process, am I right? Because who has time these days? Just kidding. It's basically all we have is time, you know? The whole lockdown thing. Ain't this shit weird? Things are so weird right now. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Maybe a spoon would be better at this point while we're getting to the end of the bowl. Wow, thanks God. Maybe that baptism was worth it. Sometimes you just know someone's looking out for you up there. Throwing your spoon when you need it. A virtual hug when you've prayed for it. Pre-batched cocktail when you're thirsty. There's even a fucking cherry in here. Not the bleached kind of cherries that like go through a lot to put formaldehyde in your system. This is like a raw, natural cherry. I'm telling you, this isn't a sponsored ad, but I fucking love that. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, look up how they make those fucking red bar cherries. Absolutely horrendous. All right, looks like we're about to get our last pup. I think maybe we should change the name to Cheese Crispy Pups. Yeah, I like that better. My own puppy's watching me make these and it's just like, Ma! So we're just gonna spread them out just in case they get bigger while they cook. Ooh! The next part of the recipe, besides getting the leftovers out of your rings, am I right? Girls know what I'm talking about. I'm just kidding, cut that out. Take like a cold spoon and kind of press them more into like a cookie shape, like that. Ooh, but you know, not too hard. You don't want to hurt nobody. Boop, boop, boop. Fuck it. Oh, I forgot one. Fuck it, you know. Make sure you bleep those out. Cursing on live television. Okay, think they're ready to go in the oven. Pop it in. And then you always want to send a very nice message to something when you send it off. Something encouraging like, wow, you're gonna be so good. I love you. You're doing great. You look like chicken nuggets, but you're not. You're just cheese and 3 other ingredients. I'll miss you. And then set it and forget it. But only for like 10 minutes. So set it and then set a timer for 10 minutes and then forget it. And then once you forgot, your timer is gonna be like, bitch, you put in fucking cheese crispy pups. Go get them out. Get them out of the oven. She says she loves my cooking show. She thinks I'm gonna be a star. Aren't we all a bunch of begging dogs for some cheesy pups? Cheese crispy pups. Don't make me beg, but boy, I'm a dog that's begging for it. If you make me, I'll do it. And remember to look at the time when you put them in the oven so you know how much time has went by. Time. Time is a social construct, so really just like stand near the oven since we have so much time to do whatever we want. Just stand right here and watch them cook behind your eyes or in front of your eyes, really. Time flies when you're watching your fucking cookies cook. Watch it. Look, they're puffing up. She likes the wind in her hair. Isn't that fun? We're also finally right. Get off of me. Just kidding. That was me. My own body. Consensual. Alright. Little chicken puppets. I don't know. I really can't decide on a name. Does it matter? I mean, it's all about cooking with your family and friends. But you don't have any family and friends because you're all alone. You're all alone in lockdown. So just cook for yourself. Ooh, ooh, those smell good. Maybe it's time to crack a beer. As a kid, I've always hated this beer, but I'm gonna try it again. Cheers. Clink! Cheers. Was that a clink? Thanks, mate. That's my editor. My more experienced palate likes this beer quite much. Anyway, don't forget to turn the oven off. In these weird times, you can't physically be close to your friends, but you can love them through the phone. See you when this bullshit is over. They look like chicken nuggets, but they're not. The cheesy pups. Oh my god! Did I just come up with a name? I think they're cheesy pups. Yeah, cheesy pups. So I feel like a lot of people are gonna be like, where'd you get this recipe from? No, it was not handed down from generation to generation. My friend Kristen Hills told me maybe I should make Rice Krispie treats, and I said, I'll do you one better. I'll make Rice Krispie Pups. Big bad bloody mama. If you were here right now, I'd kiss you. But you're not, because we're isolating because we're responsible adults. Anyway, let them cool down, and then do I have to eat one now? Why don't you just go try them out? Here we go. Here goes nothing. Yes, yes, yes. We like to pair this with perhaps a soup or like some tea and crackers for when you have family over again. Put out some cheese pups. It's like a cookie, but the savory kind, which in my opinion is even more important. 10 out of 10 would make this again. Kiss the cook! Thanks for tuning in. should be crispy crisps. Please help me. I mean, I love it. I feel like this could be a alternative to chicken chunks or chicken nuggets. Love it. I love it. I don't follow rules.